Fans, I'm proud to present a heartwarming Christmas tale of our most beloved Stevie the Stapler. You see, we all knew this Santa comes every year delivering gifts to all the good little boys and girls. But what happens when staplers get left in the cold? And now, part of Stevie the Stapler meets Santa.
Oh man, this new Britney Spears album is incredible. She blows Avril Lavigne out of the water. Ho, ho, ho. Why, hello, Stevie. Still gay, I see. Whatever, Santa. You're gay and stuff. Ho, ho, ho. Good one, Stevie. Has it ever occurred to you that you are just a stapler and that nobody would ever take you seriously unless you were able to magically turn into a robot? Ho, ho, ho. Let me guess. That is your Christmas wish. Ho, ho, ho. Dude, Santa, why are you such a dick? Ho, ho, ho. 'Cause I can, Stevie. You see, when I was a little Kris Kringle, I used to wipe my ass with staples. Oh, wait. I still wipe my ass with staples. Dude, Santa, you wipe your ass with staples? Ho, ho, you're missing the point of the story, Stevie. The point is, robot staplers are the wave of the future, and I only surround myself with futuristic shit. So, I regret to inform you that I have to kill you. Wait, Santa. This doesn't make any fucking sense. You're gonna kill me because I can't turn into a robot? Ho, ho. Yes, in a nutshell. Well, in that case...
Stevie then attempted the most difficult trick he had ever learned from David Blaine, transforming from a stapler into a robot. Even the great David Blaine had troubles with this magnificent trick, mostly because David Blaine is a human and not a stapler. But that's rather here nor there. After 2 hours, Stevie had completed the trick and became a real-life robot.
Ho, ho, holy balls. Stevie, won't you ride in my sleigh tonight? Santa, you thought you were really groovy? Turns out I would rather watch a movie. Next. Ho, ho, did I just get nexted? Come on, Mousy, let's go snuggle.
Jeez, why did you